In this final module, we will explain how you send the TRIOS scans to solution providers. To do so, you must first have made the initial connection, which we explained in video number 2. Also, please make sure that the scans are of a high quality, as this will be paramount to the production of these aligners. You can learn more about scan quality in videos 3 and 4, but let's get started. Sending to a solution provider is very easy and can be done using the following steps. 1. Choose an existing patient or create a new one on your TRIOS PC. 2. Select New Session. 3. Choose your preferred solution provider in the Select Lab dialog box. 4. Make sure that the Scan Only option is selected. 5. Click the scanner icon in the workflow bar at the top. 6. Scan upper, lower, and the bite, as instructed in videos 3 and 4. 7. Click the envelope icon in the workflow bar at the bottom. 8. Click Send Order. And that's it. Now your scan has been sent to the provider. Thank you for watching.